Normally we think that deep sleep is a state that alternates with the two other states of waking, dreaming, and sleeping, and deep sleep. So we think that deep sleep is one state amongst three. And to address that, the classic Vedanta teaching says no, there's a fourth, Turiya, which is neither the waking state, the dreaming state, or the deep sleep state. It is the fourth, Turiya, pure consciousness. But now you have four states: waking, dreaming, deep sleep, and the fourth. So in order to address that misunderstanding, they say no. Turiyatita, it's beyond, or more accurately, prior to the fourth. It's not, the Turiyatita is not a fifth state. It's the presence that underlies the three states. So pure consciousness is the state that underlies the three states. Now, take a piece of white paper. A piece of white paper represents the pure consciousness, and draw a circle on it, and divide the circle into three. So from the middle up to midnight, down to 4 o'clock, and to 8 o'clock. So you've got the circle divided into three segments. So color one segment blue and the other segment red, and leave the third white. So if you were to ask somebody how many colors are there in the circle, they'd say 3: blue, red, and white. There seem to be 3 colors there. Actually, there aren't 3 colors there. There are only 2 colors there. The white segment of the circle is only considered a color in relation to the red and the blue. So in the relation to the red and the blue, we can say there are 3 colors: red, blue, and white. So then our attention is drawn to the white page all around the circle. The rest of the white page. That's Turiya. And then we realize, no, the white paper isn't just the bit around the circle. It underlies the circle. It's the single sheet of white paper that underlies the red and the blue. That's Turiyatita, the white paper that underlies the red and the blue, and that actually shines clearly as it is in the third segment. In other words, the third segment is not a third segment. It's not a third state. It's the shining of pure consciousness. It's only considered a third state in relation to the red and the blue. The white is only considered a third color, in relation to the red and the blue colors. So the deep sleep state is only considered a state in relation to the waking and dreaming states. So if we consider deep sleep a state that alternates with the waking and dreaming states, then deep sleep is something that comes and goes, lasts a certain period of time. But if we understand that the deep sleep state is not a state, it is just the awareness of being, then it doesn't come and go. It's present all the time, underneath the red and the blue. And it's what we essentially are. So we are always in deep sleep. And that's why it is said that meditation is to be deeply asleep whilst remaining awake.